Do you want to complete your Duolingo exam registration in just 2 minutes? Let me show you the complete process. Once you log in, go to your dashboard. Now click on My Tests, select one test, click on Continue, select 24 hours, click on Continue. Now check your email ID, select country, select the state, apply the code which my team has given to you, click on Submit. Now you can see you are applying 100% off coupon. Now click on Use Coupon. Done. This is how your registration will get completed. Now once you click on Start Test, application will be downloaded. Yes, download the app to start the test. Click on Download. You can see application is downloaded. Yeah, this is the Duolingo English Test application where you are going to take exam, and if you require any assistance, my team will guide you.